Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hopes you all will be fine. Today I will give you lecture number 4 of week 2. You can access this video at portal.su.edu.pk. Switching to the next slide. This slide is about review of previous lecture. In previous lecture, we have studied about ladder diagram, power rail, wiring, wire number, wire types, wire application, reference designator, AND lamp circuit, and AND expression, ladder diagram of AND gate logic, OR lamp circuit and OR expression, ladder diagram of OR logic. So these were the few topics which we have studied in previous lecture. So switching to the next slide. These are the few objectives which we will study in this lecture. The first objective is AND or lamp circuit. The second objective is Boolean expression of AND or lamp circuit. The third objective is ladder diagram of AND or lamp circuit. The fourth objective is OR and lamp circuit. The fifth objective is Boolean expression of OR and lamp circuit. And the last objective is ladder diagram of OR and lamp circuit. So these are the few objectives which we will learn in this lecture. Switching to the next slide. Here you can see the schematic diagram or circuit diagram of AND lamp circuit. Here you can see the switch 1. This switch has two terminals. This is the first terminal and this one is the second terminal. And the switch 2 has also two terminals. The first terminal is this and the second terminal is this. The terminal of switch 1 has been connected with terminal of switch 2 like this, and this combination of two switches are connected in AND logic. Here you can see lamp 1 which has also two terminals. This is the first terminal and this one is the second terminal, or this one is the first terminal or this one is the second terminal. It means one terminal of lamp 1 has been connected with switch 2 and the other terminal is connected with negative terminal of DC battery. Here you can see the schematic symbol of DC battery which provides the power to the circuit. This is also a circuit. You have learned about circuits in semester 1 or in semester 2. The subject was circuit analysis. And lamp circuit is just like a series circuit. Here you can see switch 1 and switch 2. These two switches has been connected in series form, and also lamp 1 has been connected in series with these two switches, and then these three components are connected in series with DC battery. The positive sign shows the high potential of DC battery and negative sign shows the negative potential of DC battery. If we press switch 1, the lamp 1 will not be glow. If I press switch 2, then lamp 1 will be not glowing. If I press switch 1 and switch 2 simultaneously, lamp 1 will be on. So in this case, switch 1 and switch 2 are two switches which should be pressed in the same time, then lamp 1 will be glow. So this schematic diagram is about AND lamp circuit. So we will switch to the next slide. Here you can see the modification in AND lamp circuit. If we add or if we do modification in the previous circuit diagram, if we go back to the previous slide, here you can see two switches, switch 1 and switch 2. In the next slide, we have added switch 3 and switch 4 to the switches switch 1 and switch 2, like in this form. So here we did the modification in the previous circuit, and we have added switch 3 and switch 4 in series. If we connect this series circuit with the switch 1 and switch 2, it will become parallel. Here you can see lamp 3, which is connected with switch 2 and switch 4. Here you can see the terminal of lamp 3. This is the terminal of lamp 3, and this one is also a terminal of lamp 3 which has been connected with negative terminal of DC battery. Here you can see the positive potential or positive terminal of DC battery. The purpose of connected DC battery is to provide the power to the circuit. Here you can see switch 1 and switch 2, which are connected in series form, and here you also see switch 3 and switch 4, which has been connected in series form also, and these two form are also connected in parallel form. So if we press switch 1, lamp 3 will not glow. If we press switch 2, lamp 3 will not glow. If we press switch 1 and switch 2 simultaneously, then lamp 3 will be turned on. Or if we switch 3 on, and if we press switch 4 turn on, it will become on. Lamp 3 will become on because switch 3 and switch 4 are connected in OR form with switch 1 and switch 2. The connection of switch 1 and switch 2 is in the AND logic form. The connection of switch 3 and switch 4 is in the AND logic form, but these two switches and these two switches are connected in OR form, so we call it AND OR logic or AND OR circuit. So switching to the next slide. AND OR circuit operation. For AND OR system to operate properly, the lamp needs to light if switch 1 and switch 2 are both on. Here you can see in the previous slide, if we press switch 1 and switch 2 or both are, it means that if we want to turn lamp on, so for that purpose we should turn on switch 1 and switch 2. Here you can see in the previous slide, if we press 1 and switch 2, then lamp 3 will be turned on. Or if switch 3 and switch 4 are both on. So it means that if we go back to the previous slide, here you can see the switch 3 and switch 4. If we press switch 3 and switch 4, lamp 3 will be on, because these two switches and these two switches are connected in OR form. OR means in parallel form. Here you can see OR connection, which means parallel connection. This circuit is called an OR and OR circuit. Switching to the next slide. Here you can see the Boolean expression of AND OR circuit. Lamp 3 is equal to switch 1 dot switch 2 plus switch 3 dot switch 4. Dot means these two switches, switch 1 and switch 2, are connected in AND form. The dot represents AND logic or AND form. Here you can see switch 3 and switch 4. Dot represents the AND logic. So there is a AND logic between switch 1 and switch 2, and there is a AND logic between switch 3 and switch 4. So dot means AND gate. Here you can see the plus sign, which means OR form or OR gate. So these switches are connected with these switches, switch 3 and switch 4, in the OR form or OR gate. So this expression, the right side expression, is equal to the left side expression, which is lamp 3, and lamp 3 is the output. Here you can see the output, which is lamp 3. Here you can see the vertical lines, which represents the phase, and here you can see the neutral line. The power flows from left to right and from top to bottom. In next lecture, we will discuss in detail about ladder logic diagram, but here you can see the simple Boolean expression using switch 1, switch 2 and switch 3 and switch 4. Here you can see the switch 1 and switch 2, which are connected in AND form, and this connection and this physical connection can be represented by Boolean expression, which is switch 1 dot switch 2. Here you can see the switch 3. This is the switch 3 and this one is the switch 4. These two switches are connected in series form, which is represented by Boolean expression, which is switch 3 dot switch 4. And here you can see switch 3 and switch 4 has been connected with switch 1 and switch 2 by means of OR logic. Here you can see plus sign, which represents the OR logic in the Boolean expression of length 3 is equal to switch 1 dot switch 2 plus switch 3 dot switch 4. If we press switch 1 and switch 2 simultaneously, then lamp 3 will be turned on. Or if we press switch 3 and switch 4 simultaneously, lamp 3 will be turned on, because there is a OR logic between switch 1 and switch 2 and switch 3 and switch 4. Switching to the next slide. Here you can see the ladder logic diagram in which we have connected the control transformer and fuse. The fuse has been connected in series with control transformer. Here you can see the phase, and here you can see the neutral. So this line number 2, represents the phase, and line number 1 represents the neutral. The power can flow from left side to right side and from top to bottom. Here you can see the switch 1 and switch 2. These two switches has been connected in series form. Here you can see, if power comes from here in this direction, and if we press switch 1 and switch 2, then lamp 1 will be turned on, because one terminal of lamp 1 has been connected with neutral. So the circuit path will be complete and power flow will become from this, and it will go in this direction. Here you can see in the diagram. So the first circuit is AND circuit. If we see in the bottom, here you can see the switch 1 and switch 2. These two switches are connected in parallel form or OR form. If we press switch 1, the lamp 2 will be turned on. If we press switch 2, the lamp 2 will be turned on. It means that switch 1 and switch 2 has been connected in OR form. Here you can see the switch 1 and switch 2 connected in AND form or series form, and here you can see the switch 1 and switch 2 which are connected in parallel form or OR form. Here you can see a circuit diagram and ladder logic diagram. Switch 2 and switch 2 are combined in series, and here you can see switch 3 and switch 4 are also combined in series form, and these two switches, switch 3 and switch 4, has been connected in parallel form or OR form with switch 1 and switch 2, and the connection has been connected with lamp 3 in this side, in this terminal. So this is lamp 3, and one terminal is connected with lamp 1. So if we press switch 1 and switch 2 simultaneously, lamp 3 will be turned on. If we press switch 3 and switch 4, lamp 3 will be turned on. But if we press switch 1 and switch 4, the lamp 3 will be not turned on, because here you can see the disconnection, and here you can see the disconnection of path. So it is very necessary to turn on lamp 3. There are two logic. The first logic is that we should press switch 1 and switch 2 simultaneously to turn on lamp 3, or this connection is in the OR form. So if we press switch 3 and switch 4 simultaneously, then lamp 3 will be turned on. So this is the ladder logic diagram in which you can see the AND logic. This one is the OR logic. This one is the AND OR logic form. Switching to the next slide. Here you can see the circuit diagram of OR lamp circuit. Here you can see switch 1 and switch 2 which are connected with lamp 2. First terminal of lamp 2 has been connected with switch 1 and switch 2 like this, and the other terminal of lamp 2 has been connected with the negative terminal of DC battery. Here we connected the DC battery in order to provide power to the circuit. So this is the OR logic or OR circuit. Here you can see switch 1 and switch 2 which are connected in OR form. We will switch to the next slide. If we do modification in the previous slide, here if we go to the previous slide, here you can see switch 1 and switch 2 are connected in parallel form or in the OR logic form. If we modify this, so in the next slide you can see the modification. We have added switch 3 and switch 4 to the previous circuit. Slide number 9. This is slide number 10, and we have added and we have done some modification in the circuit which is given in the slide number 9. Here you can see the modification in slide number 10. Here you can see the switch 3 and switch 4. So here switch 1 has been connected in OR form with switch 2, and here you can see the switch 3 which has been connected with switch 4 in the OR form, and these switches are connected with lamp 4. Here you can see the circuit diagram of modification in OR lamp circuit. The terminal of lamp 4 has been connected with negative terminal, and here you can see the positive terminal which is connected with the switch 1 and switch 2. So this is the modification. We have added switch 3 and switch 4. Switching to the next slide. OR and circuit operation. For this circuit, lamp 4 will be on whenever switch 1 or switch 2 and switch 3 or switch 4 are on. So this is the circuit operation of OR and circuit. This operation can be represented in Boolean expression which is given. Here you can see the expression of OR and circuit operation. Lamp 4 is equal to switch 1 or switch 2 and switch 3 or switch 4. The plus sign shows the OR operation. Here you can see the OR operation between switch 1 and switch 2, and here you can also see the OR operation between switch 3 and switch 4. These two switches which are connected in OR fashion, and these two switches, switch 3 and switch 4, connected in OR form. These switches are further connected with AND logic. So the right side is equal to the left side of the Boolean expression. Lamp 4 is the output of the circuit which is represented by lamp 4. Switching to the next slide. Here you can see the ladder diagram of Boolean expression of OR AND logic. This is the Boolean expression of OR AND logic, and this Boolean expression has been converted in the ladder diagram. Here you can see the ladder diagram. Switch 1 and switch 2 are connected in OR fashion. Switch 3 and switch 4 are connected in OR fashion, and these all switches are connected with LAMP4. LAMP4 is the output of Boolean expression. So if we press switch 1 and switch 3, the LAMP4 will be turned on. So if we press switch 1 and switch 3, the LAMP4 will be turned on. If we press switch 2, here you can see the switch 2 and switch 3, it will be turned on, because the power will flow from this direction and it will go further in this direction, and then lamp 4 will be turned on. If we press switch 1, here you can see the switch 1, and if we press switch 4, then lamp 4 will be also turned on, because if we press switch 1, the power will flow from this direction and it will go down, and then if we press switch 4, then it will be transferred from this side to this side and it will go to the lamp 4, and hence in a response lamp 4 will be turned on. So here you can see the AND logic. Here you can see the dot which represents the AND logic. By this technique or by this expression we can control lamp 4. Switching to the next slide. Ladder diagram. For lamp 4 you should see 4 possible paths: switch 1 and switch 3, switch 1 and switch 4, switch 2 and switch 3, switch 2 and switch 4. So these are the 4 possible paths in which we can control the lamp 4. Any one of these 4 paths will energize lamp 4. Switching to the next slide. Here you can see the ladder diagram of all the circuit. The first circuit is AND circuit. The second one is the OR circuit. The third one is the AND OR circuit, and the fourth one is the OR AND circuit. So all these circuits has been mentioned in the ladder logic diagram. This is the ladder logic diagram, a very complex ladder logic diagram, but it is very easy. Switching to the next slide. This is the example of ground test, that how we will check the ground test. Here we have connected lamp 1 and we have also connected a switch, and this switch is ground test switch. Here you can see the control transformer and fuse. Fuse is connected is in series with control transformer. Here the power will come and it will pass through the fuse, and from this direction it will go from this direction. If we press this switch 1 or S1, so the power will pass from light 1 or L1 and it will pass and go to the earth. So here the circuit path will be complete, and we can test the ground test of the logic by light and one switch, which is S1. For safety reasons, it is necessary to occasionally test this ground to be sure that is it still connected, because loss of the ground circuit will not affect the performance of the machine and will therefore go unnoticed. This test is done using a ground test circuit. So this is the ground test circuit you can also use in programming, and here you can see the physical diagram of ground test. So these are the all about today lecture. Switching to the next slide. Okay guys, thank you so much and thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.